Hi guys, Anita here and welcome to Anita's Cake Bakery. To make your cupcakes you need salted butter, caster sugar, eggs, self-raising flour, milk, vanilla extract, freeze-dried strawberries and strawberry essence. Add your butter to your bowl and whisk together for approximately 2 minutes until pale in colour. Add your sugar to the butter and cream together until light and fluffy. Keep whisking for another 2 minutes. Scrape down the sides of your bowl with your spatula and whisk again for another minute. At this point you'll see your mixture become really pale and fluffy. Fold in the eggs a little bit at a time. Until all the egg is finished. Once you've combined all your eggs, finish off with the whisk for a further 30 seconds. Now your mixture looks lovely and creamy. Sieve your flour a little bit at a time. Fold it in to your mix. Add some milk. Continue adding the milk and the flour alternately. Add your vanilla extract to the mix and continue folding in with your spatula. Lastly, end with your flour and fold in the mixture. Scrape down the sides of your bowl and continue whisking for a further 1 minute until all the mix is combined. So I've used muffin-sized cupcake cases for this recipe. Using your ice cream scoop, place 1 scoop of mixture in 6 of your cupcake cases. These 6 are your vanilla cupcakes. So for your strawberry cupcakes, add your freeze-dried strawberries to the remaining vanilla mixture. Mix that in with your spatula. Add the strawberry essence. Continue folding in the mix until everything is combined, making sure you scrape down the sides. And again, use your ice cream scoop to add your strawberry mixture to your cake cases. This recipe makes approximately 15 cupcakes. So we have our vanilla cupcakes on the left and your strawberry cupcakes on the right. Now you need to place them into the oven for approximately 26 to 28 minutes. To make your buttercream icing, you need butter. I'm using salted butter, but you can use unsalted, icing sugar and vanilla extract. Cream your butter until light and fluffy with your whisk for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Scrape down the sides with your spatula and whisk again for a few more seconds. Sieve your icing sugar a little bit at a time into your butter. Fold it in with your spatula. At this point, as you can see, the icing sugar goes everywhere, so be prepared for this. Once you've combined the icing sugar and the butter with your spatula, finish off with your whisk for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Add your vanilla extract and continue mixing again. So these strawberry cupcakes are going to be coloured pink. So using your toothpick, add a small amount of colouring into the mixture. Continue whisking and scraping down the sides until the colour has incorporated into the mix. I forgot to mention that my icing sugar is in fact strawberry flavoured. As the flavour is quite intense, there's no need to add any extra strawberry essence. I'm using the Wilton 2D piping tip, which I've just put into my piping bag. An easy way to fill your piping bag with buttercream is to put your bag in a glass or cup, fold down the sides of the piping bag, then add your buttercream a little bit at a time. Once the bag is about halfway full, bring up the edges of your bag. Take your bag out of the glass, twist the top, snip off the end of the piping bag, twist the top of your bag until it's nice and secure. And now you're ready to pipe your rose using your Wilton 2D tip. Start in the center of your cupcake and work your way round until you've created your rose. So these blue cupcakes are actually vanilla flavoured buttercream. And here we have your pink strawberry cupcakes and your blue vanilla cupcakes.